Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I cut and sew this beautiful cape gown. Let's start from upper bust. It starts from here down. From shoulder to upper bust is 8 inches. This is what I'm going to be cutting and sewing today. I will leave the link to this dress in the description box. You can go and check it out after you finish watching this very one I'm about to start with. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and there's a bell beside. Click on the bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I'm using 3 yards and some inches. The length is 45 inches. I will fold into 2. I will fold again, a triangle shape. I fold a triangle shape. This into 4. The measurement I need is full length 40 inches, half length 8 inches, upper bust 40 inches, shoulder, and the measurement of sleeve. After folding into 4, giving me a triangle shape, I place my tape on the tip. I measure 13.5 inches. 13.5 inches. 13.5 inches. This upper bust, I will measure inches from here, from where I mark. I will measure down to this place 40 inches. I will continue from here 40 inches. And 40 inches. I will cut here and here. I will cut the half length. Shoulder is 15 inches. 15 divided by 2 is 7 inches. Then I will add half inch to sew. Then I have 8 inches. Armhole 8 inches. Upper bust is 40 inches. 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. I will add 1.5 inch to sew. Neckline is 3 inches. I'll cut back with half inch. I will add button on the back. I will cut one side. Front neck, I will measure 4 inches. Then like this, cut here. Like this, back and front. I will use this one to turn front neck. I will sew here. I will use this one, this remaining one, for sleeve. Nine inches. I will hem the bottom with 1/2 inch. For the back neck, I'll sew here and here. I will sew rope on the back. I will fold and sew tiny. I will bring it this way and sew on the back. Use this and sew here. I'm done turning the neck, the back neck, and I add this rope to sew button on. The front and the sleeve I hem, and the flag. I will join the shoulder. This is the back shoulder and this is the front shoulder. I will place the two together like this and use the one I use in turning the front neck to the back and sew. I will do the same here. After sewing the shoulder, before I join on top here, I'm done joining the shoulder. This is the rope and this is the button I will sew here. I will sew this button just here. I will sew the sleeve from here, not from here. I will sew the sleeve from here to this place. I'm going to leave this place without sewing the sleeve up to here. I will start from here to this place. I will do the same here to this place. I notch here from shoulder down here 5 inches. This is where I will sew the sleeve on. Then here I will only hem. This is where I notch this place. I will start the sleeve from where I notch to this place where I notch. I will sew like this up to here. When I'm done sewing, then the remaining one here, I will fold like this and sew up to where I notch. I will fold it from where I notch to this place. I will do the same here. I'm done with the sleeve. I will sew the flag on top. This is where I notch and this is where I notch. I will place the two together, hold with pin. I will sew from here to here. I will do the same on the back. I'm done sewing and the back is open for now. This is the back, and I will bring together. I will sew all the way to this place. After doing that, I will sew the two sides just little bit, just small from here. There's the arm hole. This is where my hand is coming out from. I will sew just here, and the same with this side. I will sew just here, and I hem the bottom. I'm done sewing. This is where my hand will come out from, and this is the armpits. I sew from armpits here down about 4 inches. I sew from here to here 4 inches, and I do the same on this side from armpits down 4 inches. The back, I will sew up to here. The back, this is the back. I sew here to here, the back and bottom. This is the finished sewing, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. As always, please help me share this video to everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.